8, we're going to do some examples of decomposing fractions and stuff, fractions, decomposing them to unit fractions and stuff. So let's decompose some fractions. Okay, let's say I'm given the fraction 5 out of 6, and I want you to decompose it. How would you do this? Well, 5 out of 6 is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means you have 5 out of 6 in one group. Okay, but this also means that you can say you have 1 out of 6 plus 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 1 out of 6. So you can say 1 out of 6 plus 1 out of 6 plus 1 out of 6 plus 1 out of 6. And this is how you would decompose it. These are all unit fractions that make up this fraction. Okay, let's say I'm giving 7 out of 10. Well, just like this can be 7 as said as 1 out of 10 plus 1 out of 10 plus 1 out of 10 7 times. So 1 out of 10 plus 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 1 out of 10. And you would write it like that. That's how you decompose it. Now what about something like 2 out of 8? Again, it would just be having 1 plus, it would be equal to 1 out of 8 plus 1 out of 8. Just like that. Okay. What about 5 out of, no, we already did that. We're going to say 5 out of 6. 9 out of 11. 9 out of 11. Will that be equal to 1 out of 11 plus 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 1 out of 11. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Thank you. And these are some examples of, or let's say, 2 out of 4. That'd be equal to 1 over 1 out of 4 plus 1 out of 4. Okay? These are some examples of how to break fractions into unit fractions, how to decompose them. This is how you decompose them. Examples. Okay, good night, goodbye, stay in school.